So last class we started alternating current. So that is the AC. Okay. So in this chapter, you want to know about some basic idea about so what is alternating current, what is direct current. So this is alternating current AC wave because it is changing magnitude as well as direction in continuous manner. It is called as AC current. So another one DC. So DC means direct current. So it is in the constant. There is no direction changes, only magnitude only changes. So with the EMF, we will get two formula. One is the E is equal to E naught sine omega t. So this is EMF. So from what is E naught? That is the voltage amplitude, otherwise peak value of EMF. So another one I is equal to I naught sine omega t. So this is for the current, that is AC. So after that we discuss time period, T formula. So time period T equal to 2 pi by omega. So after that frequency. So frequency means it is a reciprocal of time period 1 by T. Then you will get omega divided by 2 pi. Okay, next we discuss the average value of current, that is AC. Average value of AC, alternating current, over one complete cycle. What is the value, ma? Anybody remember?
One hertz.
Average value of AC over one complete cycle. The value of Q. So Q is the charge. It is equal to 0. So charge is 0 means the formula I average. It is equal to charge divided by time. So you will get average current, AC current. It is also 0. So average value of AC over one complete cycle. Please remember, one complete cycle, the value of current, it is 0. Okay, next one we discuss the relationship between average value and peak value of AC. So average value I can mention I average and peak value. So that is the I naught. So I naught means that is the peak value, otherwise current amplitude. So what is the relation means? You will get the I average. It is equal to 2 divided by pi I naught. So this is the relationship between I average and I naught. The value of 2 divided by pi, it is 0.637 into I naught. So like that EMF also, E average, it is equal to 2 divided by pi E naught. Then applying value will get 0.637 E naught. Okay. So after that we discuss root mean square, that is the RMS. The RMS value of current and RMS value of EMF. So RMS means root mean square ma. The formula I RMS I divided by I naught, sorry, root 2. I divided by root 2 into I naught. Yeah. One divided by root 2 into I naught. Then the value of 1 divided by root 2, it is 0.707. 0.707 I naught. So like that EMF also, I E RMS, it is equal to 1 divided by root 2 E naught. So 1 divided by root 2 means it is 0.707 E naught. Okay, so we completed up to that. Please take a notes. Okay, this is one small note. In our Indian household, the voltage V value it is it is 220 volt. Okay, the relation V naught equal to root 2 VRMS. Okay, the VRMS value 220. So root 2 into VRMS, it is a 220. Then you will get the peak value of V naught. It is equal to 311 volt. Please take a notes now. It is for India. And the frequency value 50 Hz. So next one, this is one small concept. So from the diagram you can write, so what is the value of IRMS? Just a minute. Okay, in y-axis, I should take current. Okay, in x-axis, it is in the time period. So this is the origin O, the value is 0. So this is the positive 2 ampere. This is negative 2 ampere, minus 2A. Okay, the question, find the RMS value of AC. Find RMS value of AC. Okay, so like that graphical based question it is. So how to solve the question? It is very easy, ma. Listen, the IRMS, it is equal to square root of that individual value. Okay, so I1 square plus I2 square plus I3 square divided by 3. So 3 terms it is there, so that I am using 3. In case n term it is there, means you can write n term. It is a I1 plus I2 plus I3 plus etc. In square divided by n times. 2 it is there, means only 2 times. 4 it is there, means only 4 times. Like that, EMF also you can use same formula. Instead of I, you can mention E. Okay. So now we want to know about what is the value of I1. So from the graph, so this is the peak value. So from the graph, this is I1, this is I2, this is I3. Okay. So I1 value, it is 2 amperes. Okay, root of I1 value 2 square plus I2 value. So this is the negative slope, no? It is a y dash. So y dash means minus 2 ampere. So we can write minus 2 whole square plus I3 value. What is the maximum peak? It is the maximum. The value is 2 ampere. So in this question they given properly now. So 2 it is means you can take 2. In case one is the maximum, one is the minimum, means based on the reference line you should take. So this is 2 square. Okay. So divide by 3. Do the simplification. You will get the IRMS. The overall value. It is around 2 ampere. Please notice. So like the problem will come. So finding the common term like that RMS value. So anything, no problem. You can take square root of the individual value square divided by number of times. RMS, the general formula. For example, A RMS equal to root of A1 square plus A2 square plus etc. plus AN square divided by N. So it is the current means I, voltage means V, velocity means V, acceleration means A, viscosity means rho. Okay. So now you get idea about what is alternating current, what is alternating voltage, and the relationship formula, I formula, another one V formula also. Okay, please note down what is mean value. The average instantaneous value of current or voltage in one cycle is called as mean value. It is point number D, please note it. So completed student, please note down the definition about RMS. We can indicate like this also, root of I square bar. Root of I square bar also same meaning. So what is RMS value means? The root means square. That is the RMS voltage or current in AC circuit. Please underline in AC circuit. It is not a DC circuit. Only for AC circuit. So AC circuit for one complete cycle is called as RMS value. So it is denoted VRMS, IRMS. The terms are very important. Please understand one complete cycle, half of the cycle, whether it is a AC circuit or DC circuit. So every term is very important for English chapter. Because small changes only there. Please note down the formula. So IRMS equal to I square plus I square 2 divided plus up to n times. In percentage you will get 70% of IM. You can mention I naught, no problem. And VRMS 70.7% of VM E, both also similar only. The RMS value of alternating current, it is also called as virtual value, otherwise effective value. The another name. Just a minute. Now listen everyone. Okay. So based on revised syllabus, listen. So alternating current, peak and RMS value of alternating current and alternating voltage. This one. So after that, LC oscillation, only the idea, quantitative idea. Okay. After that, LCR series circuit, resonance, powering AC circuit, AC generator and a transformer. AC generator and a transformer. Powering AC circuit. What is resonance? Reactance, impedance, LC oscillation. Okay. But so before you want to discuss LCR series circuit, you want to know about what is L, what is C, what is R. Okay. So based on that, I will give some idea. So 13, 8, 21. Revision exam 1. Practical internal test. First one. Okay. There is a two questions. One is the Ohm's law, another one meter bridge. This is 13. Okay. 17, 8, 21. So revision exam 1, class revision. So revision internal test 2, chapter number 6, electromagnetic induction. So already we completed one test. Okay, this is the second test. This is practical test. The 17 after 21st. 21st, 8, 21. Revision exam 1, revision internal test 3, chapter number 7, up to completed now. So before 21st, how much I have completed? That much alone, 21st test. Okay, this is up to 21st physics schedule. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Relevant revision exam. So 13th practical test, 17th again chapter number 6 revision exam 2, 21st chapter number 7 revision exam. Okay. So 21st completed next week. Okay, fourth week. So we'll conduct revision exam, test internal test 4, and after that we will conduct one overall test. Okay, this is fixed remark. Everyone please note it. For tomorrow test purpose, you can prepare only aim, apparatus, formula abbreviation, diagram, model graph, tables, calculation, result, precaution, source of error. Total 10 points. So no need to write procedure. Just a minute. One minute. Now everyone use ruled paper. Okay. In first page you can write your name, class, subject, date. Name, class, subject, date. And practical internal test 1. Okay, this is the title. You can mention the Ohm's law. Aim, apparatus, formula, and formula abbreviation. It is very important with the proper unit, whether it is the ohms or voltage, ampere, whatever maybe you can mention. So no need to write procedure. So after that you can mention diagram and model graph. So in this diagram, model graph. So next one, observation and calculation. Just a minute now. Oh, my voice is audible. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello. So observation and calculation, same. Table 1, least count of ammeter, least count of voltmeter, ammeter reading, voltmeter reading, resistance. Table 2, pitch.
Sir, you are mute, sir.
Now it is audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So result, source of error, precaution. That's all. So one experiment completed. And the second experiment, you want to start with a new page. Please remember, same page you no need to start. Everyone start with a new page. Okay, again meter bits, law of combination in series, aim, apparatus, formula, no need to write procedure, diagram, and you want to mark all the points plus minus k, a, b, l, 100 minus l, resistance box, unknown resistance, r1, r2. So everything you can mark under a table column. You can miss any one also, entire table is wrong. It didn't mention serial number of the observation. So entire table is wrong, you will get 0 mark. Okay. So after that, calculation, result, precaution, source of error. So first two experiment enough. And already I shared for the values also. 1 second.
Sir, procedures also I wrote, sir.
Where? In record nota.
Yes, sir.
I, 1 second. One minute. Subhas, 1 minute, Subhas.
Yes, sir.